Hello, third grade. Welcome to lesson 3 for our warm-up. Today we are going to grab a piece of paper and a pencil to take notes. And today for our warm-up, we're going to practice counting by our sevens. So I'm going to take both my sixes and sevens as a review, and then we'll introduce eights. So if I am doing my sixes, I'm starting with 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, and we're going back down, 60, 54, 48, 42, 36, 30, 24, 18, 12, 6. Now let's review our sevens as well. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 54, 49, 56, 63, 70, and back down, 70, 63, 56, 49, 42, 35, 28, 21, 14, 7. All right, so now we are going to review. We'll do eights at the end. We are going to go over our solving for the missing factor today. But now we're going to be doing multiplication facts up all the way to 10. So remember, right here is our number of groups. The first number is going to be our numbers of groups times how many are in each group. And then always on this, right after our equal sign is our total. And that's for multiplication. This is going to be our total. So let's see here. So this is our number of groups. How many are in each group are total. So we're solving for how many groups. But we know how many in each group. So we can go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's one group. Now our second group is going to bring us to 8. Our next group brings us to 12. But we have to keep going because our total is 16. And our next group brings us to 16. So how many numbers of groups do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers of groups. Now when you're also solving for the unknown, we can look here. We have 4 times blank equals 12. If it helps, you can always go 4 times 1 equals 4. You can write them out till you get to 12. 4 times 2, I know, gives me 8. 4 times 3 equals 12. So I know right here I have my answer, so I can write it down. So today we're going to practice just writing out our multiplication facts from the top and then solving to figure out which one it is. So 6 times blank equals 30. So I have 6 groups. How many are in each group? To give me the total of 30. So I'm going to go 6 times 1 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. 6 times 3 equals 18. 6 times 4 equals 24. 6 times 5 equals 30. So I know my 6 groups with 5 in each of them gives me a total of 30. So now also if we look down here, some are going to be written out differently as well. It's not just going to have the facts, but we have to read and understand them. So if I have 3 groups of blank equals the total of 15. So I have 3 groups, as we know. And I have a total of 15. So here we go. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I know I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each group. And remember, we can also solve this by saying 3 times 1 equals 3. If you don't want to draw out the groups, you can draw out your multiplication facts. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 times 5 equals 15. And then we can also solve it like that. So let's do our last one together. Blank groups of 7 equal 21. So I know how many are in each group, and I know my total. How many do I need to get to 21? So we're going to start with 1 times 7 equals 21. Because this is what we're solving for. But, 1 times 7 does not equal 21. 1 times 7 equals 7. So we know we need to go up 1 on here. 2 times 7 equals 14. Not at 21 yet. 3 times 7 equals 21. So I know my 3 groups of 7 equals 21. And remember, if you don't want to write out your multiplication facts, you can always go, I know that I have 7 groups, or 7 in each group. So here's my 7 dots, 7. But I need another one because I need to go all the way up to 21. My second group gives me 14. And my third group gives me 21. All right, so now let's practice skip counting by our 8s. So I'm going to draw it right on the back here. We're going to start with 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 8 is 24. After 24 we have 32. After 32 we have 40. And then 48, and then 56, and then 64, 72, and then 80. So let's practice counting up and down. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. 80, 72, 64, 56, 48, 40, 32, 24, 16, 8. So now let's see if we can practice skip counting without our paper. All right, so here we go. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, and back down, 80, 72, 64, 56, 48, 40, 32, 24, 16, 8. All right, that's it for today, and your homework assignment is on Edmodo on iExcel. All right, thank you and have a good day.